The wait for the next generation of Google flagships is finally narrowing down, as the first major leaks for the Google Pixel 11 Pro have officially surfaced. While Google has traditionally saved its big reveals for the fall, current trends suggest an August 2026 launch is highly likely. At first glance, the Pixel 11 Pro appears to refine the bold design language introduced in previous years rather than reinventing it. The iconic camera visor remains the centerpiece, but CAD renders show a sleeker, fully blacked-out camera bar that creates a more seamless, high-end look against the matte back glass. Under the hood, the real story begins with the new Tensor G6 chip, built on a cutting-edge 10 nanometers process by TSMC. This processor, expected to solve long-standing thermal issues and provide a massive jump in power efficiency. Early reports also point to a significant modem upgrade, potentially switching to a MediaTek M90 to finally put those pesky connectivity complaints to rest. With 16 GB of RAM and a starting storage of 256 GB, the Pro is positioning itself as a serious heavy hitter for 2026. The display and camera hardware also seeing strategic polish. We're looking at a 6.3-inch Super Actua LTPO OLED panel that could push brightness levels even further, potentially reaching past the 3300 nit mark. On the back, while the 50MP main sensor remains the star, rumors suggest an upgraded 6x4MP periscope telephoto lens for even sharper long-range zooms. Combine that with a potential under-display infrared system for secure Face ID-style unlocking, and the Pixel 11 Pro looks like it might finally bridge the gap between smartest phone and most powerful flagship.